Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious macaroni and cheese. In case you just want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 pound of elbow macaroni pasta, 3 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, 3 cups of Monterey Jack cheese, 5 cups of milk, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1.5 teaspoons of dry mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to grab a large pot and we're going to fill it up halfway with water. We're going to set it up medium-high heat and we're just going to bring the water to a boil. Alright guys, so once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of salt. And we're also going to throw in our elbow macaroni. So now we're just going to cook them for about 7 minutes, or follow the instructions on your package and just make sure that you're stirring occasionally. Alright guys, so once our pasta is ready, we're going to drain it and set it to the side. Okay, so now we're going to mix our dry mustard, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt with our flour. So for the salt, I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons. But of course, you can always adjust it as we cook our macaroni. Alright, so once we have our flour mixed, now we can shred our cheese. Alright, so we're going to use 2 cups of each to make our sauce. The other cup is going to be used to top it up once we have our macaroni. Alright, so once we have our 4 cups of cheese, now we are ready to make our sauce and make our macaroni and cheese. Alright, so in the same pot that we boil our pasta, we're going to set it on medium-high heat. And we're going to throw in our 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So we're just going to wait for that to melt. Alright, so once our butter is melted, we're going to add in our flour mixture. And we're going to whisk for about 1 minute. Alright, so now slowly we're going to pour in our milk. And just whisk as you pour. Alright, so now we're just going to bring our mixture to a boil. Make sure that you're whisking constantly. Alright guys, so once our mixture has come to a full boil, we're going to reduce the heat to medium setting. And we're just going to whisk constantly still for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our mixture should have thickened up. So now we're going to turn it off. And we're going to add our cheese. So we're just going to melt our cheese. And once your cheese has melted, try it and see if you want to add some more cayenne pepper, black pepper, or salt. But for me, this is going to be perfect, so I'm just going to add in my pasta. So just wait for it to fully melt. We're going to transfer in our pasta. Alright, so now we're going to turn on the heat to low setting. And we're just going to cook them together for about 5 minutes. So at this point, we're going to turn on our broiler. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we can finish up our macaroni and cheese. Alright guys, so now we're going to grab our broiler safe baking dish. And we're going to transfer our macaroni and cheese. So just transfer it in. Make sure you get everything. Now we're just going to even it out. And now we're just going to cover it with our 2 cups of cheese. So just layer it up. All right, so then we're going to top it with our breadcrumbs. All right, so now we're going to put in our broiler for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. So our macaroni and cheese is done. So carefully remove it from the oven. And our macaroni and cheese is ready. Alright guys, so once we get our macaroni and cheese out of the oven, just allow it to cool down for at least 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we are ready to enjoy our delicious macaroni and cheese. So I'm just going to cut it. And of course you can enjoy it as a main dish or as a side dish. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Still a little hot. Seriously, super delicious, super creamy, so flavorful. Seriously, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious macaroni and cheese. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.